The hidden truth to attracting women. It all starts with you. Here's something you don't hear often, but it's something you need to understand if you want any woman to truly fall for you. It's not about having model-level looks, an impressive bank account, or even being the smartest guy in the room. Those things might grab attention initially, but they won't keep her interested in the long run. The real secret is mastering yourself. And here's where many men are failing. Forget what society has told you about dating. It's not about buying her fancy gifts, throwing compliments her way, or trying to imitate the guys you see in movies. The truth is, what women are really attracted to is emotional strength. Your ability to remain calm, grounded, and unshaken, no matter what's going on around you. This kind of emotional resilience is something that stands out. Think about it. If you don't have control over yourself, your thoughts, your reactions, your emotions, no amount of tricks, cheesy pickup lines, or surface-level confidence is going to help you. In fact, those quick fixes might even backfire, pushing her away instead of drawing her closer. If you've ever experienced that sinking feeling of being ignored, rejected, or overlooked by women, it's likely because they can sense something is missing. They can tell when a man lacks control over himself, and it makes them walk away. But here's the good news. By mastering a few key Stoic principles, you'll not only attract her, but she'll be drawn to you in a way that feels effortless. This isn't another run-of-the-mill dating tip. It's a deeper strategy. And the best part? It all starts with focusing on yourself, not on her, not on what she wants, but on you, on mastering your mind, emotions, and how you carry yourself in the world. Ready to change the game? Let's dive in. Why most men struggle with women. Let's talk about where most men go wrong. We've been conditioned by society to think that winning a woman over requires grand gestures, constant compliments, or worse, pretending to be someone we're not. We're told to chase after women, to shower them with attention, and to do whatever it takes to get their approval. Then, when she loses interest, we're left wondering what went wrong. Why is she ghosting you? Why aren't things working out? Here's the brutal truth. You've been taught to see dating as a competition where the goal is to win her over. But the harder you try to win her, the more you lose yourself. Women have a radar for this. They can sense when a guy is trying too hard, and the moment they do, they start pulling away. You're so focused on impressing her that you end up losing sight of who you are, and she can feel it. The more you put on an act, the further she distances herself. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Stop chasing and start attracting. Attraction isn't about doing more, it's about becoming more. And the only way to truly attract her is by mastering yourself, mastering your inner world. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt fully in control of your emotions, your reactions, your actions? If you're like most men, you're probably reacting to the world around you, whether it's her moods, her words, or the little tests she throws your way. But here's the thing. Mastering your inner world, becoming emotionally unshakable, is the key to not only getting her attention, but keeping it. This is where an ancient philosophy comes into play. Stoicism. Now, before you tune out thinking, what does an old philosophy have to do with dating? Let me tell you, it has everything to do with it. Stoicism isn't about shutting down your emotions or becoming cold and detached. It's about mastering them. It's about being the kind of man who stays calm and centered no matter what's happening around him. Think about how powerful that is. When you stop reacting impulsively and maintain your composure, she'll start to notice you in a way that most men can't even dream of. While other guys are scrambling to impress her, nervously trying to be funny or flashy, you'll be the one standing out. Not because you're trying to, but because you're grounded in who you are. You don't need her validation to feel good about yourself. Imagine walking into a date or a relationship with that kind of calm, collected confidence. While others are trying to be the life of the party or putting on a show, you're simply present, fully engaged and relaxed. That's what makes her feel safe, intrigued and drawn to you. That's what sets you apart. Women want to be drawn in, not chased. There's a truth here that no one talks about. Women don't want to be chased. The moment you stop chasing her, trying to impress her, is the moment she starts feeling something different. She becomes curious, intrigued, and most importantly, she starts wanting you. Why? Because you're showing her what 99% of other men don't. Self-control. You're demonstrating that you're not desperate for her attention, and that's incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who know their worth, men who don't need constant approval or validation. And guess what? You don't need to play games or memorize lines to achieve this. You just need to master yourself. This is where Stoicism becomes your secret weapon. It's not about using tricks or tactics to manipulate her. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts others because of who he is. When you become emotionally steady, grounded, and self-assured, everything starts to shift. You'll stop overthinking every move, stop worrying about impressing her, and just be. How Stoic principles can change your dating life. Now that you understand the power of Stoicism, let's dive into how you can actually apply it in your dating life. First, let's talk about words. Most guys believe they need to come up with clever one-liners or witty comebacks to keep a woman interested, but that couldn't be further from the truth. It's not about being clever or funny. It's about saying the right things at the right time in a way that connects on a deeper emotional level. For starters, stop with the generic compliments. Women hear, "You're beautiful," or "You're so hot," all the time. These comments barely register with her anymore. But you know what she doesn't hear often? Genuine compliments about who she is, not just how she looks. For example, start by using her name in conversation. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. When you use her name strategically during a conversation, it makes her feel seen and important. But don't overdo it, keep it natural. Next, compliment her in ways others don't. Most men focus on her appearance because it's easy. But if you want to stand out, compliment her intelligence, her creativity, her passion. When she shares something she's passionate about, don't just nod and move on. Engage with her. Say something like, "I really admire how deeply you think about this." This kind of compliment not only flatters her, but also shows her that you truly see her. And that's what sets you apart from other guys. Actions speak louder than words. Of course, words are important, but actions are even more so. You can say all the right things, but if your actions don't align, it's game over. Stoicism teaches us that actions should be deliberate, grounded, and confident. This applies directly to how you carry yourself when you're with her. First, master your body language. You might not realize it, but your body is constantly sending signals. If you're fidgeting, shifting nervously, or avoiding eye contact, it sends the message that you're insecure. So step one is to calm your body. Stand tall, keep your shoulders relaxed, and maintain steady eye contact. But don't overdo it. Find a balance. Hold her gaze long enough to show confidence, but not so long that it becomes uncomfortable. Second, move with purpose. How do you walk into a room? Are you rushing, scanning the room nervously? If so, slow down. Men who move slowly and with intention signal confidence and control. This shows her that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you belong in any space you enter. And trust me, women notice these subtle cues more than you think. Small gestures have big impact. Finally, remember that it's often the small things that matter most. While grand romantic gestures might seem like the way to go, it's really the little, thoughtful actions that have the most impact. Maybe she mentioned her favorite book or a personal goal she's working toward. Show that you remember those things. Surprise her with a book she mentioned, or simply check in with her on her progress. It's these small, meaningful gestures that show her you're truly paying attention, and that's what builds deep attraction. So, stop trying to be the entertainer, the funny guy, or the one with all the jokes. Women don't need a clown. They need a man who listens, who is present, and who genuinely cares. Applying Stoicism in relationships. Now, let's talk about how to handle things when they don't go as planned. Because let's face it, dating isn't always smooth sailing. There will be moments of uncertainty, confusion, and disappointment. This is where Stoic principles truly shine. When faced with rejection or setbacks, instead of letting your emotions spiral out of control, practice acceptance. Accept that rejection is a part of life and it doesn't define your worth. Stoicism teaches us that the only thing we can control is our reaction to situations, not the situations themselves. This mindset allows you to remain resilient in the face of challenges. If she doesn't respond positively, instead of dwelling on it or taking it personally, focus on what you can learn from the experience. Reflect on it, but don't let it consume you. Embrace the idea that every experience, good or bad, is an opportunity for growth. Final thoughts. Embracing change. As you begin applying these Stoic principles in your life, remember that mastery doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. Start small. Practice being present in your interactions, work on your body language, and focus on the way you speak to women. Becoming a man who attracts women is less about learning tricks and more about personal growth. The more you develop yourself, your mind, your emotions, and your character, the more you'll find that attraction naturally follows. So, if you're ready to transform your relationships and enhance your overall life, subscribe now. Let's continue this journey together and explore how to become the best version of yourself.